of dying almost every night. Why do I feel like this isn't right? I lay in the darkness, trying to see the light. I grab my pen and I start to write. It's getting hard, but I stand and fight, believing you saying my future is bright. Fate of a must to see, just give me light. The urge is strong, but I'm stronger, right? Look at the stars. For some confirmation, I know my soul needs some restoration. And I give my pain up to you. What do you want me to do? Acceptance is a gentle art of letting go of what you cannot change. And embracing what you can.
To say, if all it is 8 letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all